Do we need real estate agents? Seth Kelly says, in my opinion, yes, we currently need them. But they aren't worth the approximately 3% they receive. When we bought our house, our agents spent very little time with us. We found the house. We found our own lender. Our agents weren't at closing, and wouldn't have been helpful if they were. They were very nice people, but all they really did was get us into the house for a showing, and communicate with the seller's agents. They did a great job working with the sellers. But I highly doubt they spent more than 20 to 25 man-hours, and that's being very optimistic, on our transaction. And for that they were paid $10,000. That's $400 per hour. The thing that bothers me the most is that when people try to disrupt this racket that is the real estate industry, many of the other agents band together and try their best to prevent any type of disruptive innovation. For example, in Colorado there is a company called Trelora that provides real estate buying and selling services by licensed agents, and only charges a maximum $2,500 commission. That low price threatens to undercut the traditional agents, and as a result, traditional agents often refuse to show houses being sold by Trelora to their clients. They have a few excuses they use about why they won't show Trelora houses, but the bottom line is they're blackballing a service that's good for their clients but a threat to their incomes. Brenda Williams says, the answer is, yes. Many people don't like the idea of doing a real estate deal through an agent as not always completely necessary. Actually, it depends on how much money you want to make. As some buyers and seller could manage very well on their own, and they usually think that so much information is easily available online, so why should hire a professional real estate agent? It is the fact that if you hire a professional agent you can make more money. It is always great to hire people who are better and highly experienced than you are. However, an agent always helps to guide clients to make the right choices for themselves. Apart from that, there are many advantages to hiring a real estate agent. He has market condition information. He has negotiation skills and confidentiality. Develop relationships for future business. Shelley Alexic says, agents do not just take pictures and put property on the internet. If you're thinking of selling your home and your home is a property that is a popular type, size, in great condition, and in a high-demand area of the country and city, then think about your answers to these questions. Do you have business obligations that require you to focus on something other than your own personal life? Do you have the time and money to post your property for sale on hundreds of websites where potential buyers are looking every day for their next home? Do you have the skills to stage your home in a way that directly affects the amount of money a prospective buyer is willing to pay for your home? Do you have time to take hundreds of calls from people that may or may not qualify to even buy the property? Do you have the time to show your property to many prospective buyers every day? Do you have a lender in your back pocket that will qualify a prospective buyer at any odd hour of the day? Do you have the skills to work through multiple offers and decide which one is the best overall for you and your family's needs? Once you have decided on the offer you wish to accept, do you have the time and expertise to follow the transaction through each remaining step of the closing process? I can bet that most of your answers are probably no. But, if your answers are yes, then maybe you should be a real estate agent because you obviously are quite knowledgeable and have nothing else to do. Smiley face. Thanks for watching our video on, do we need real estate agents?